Hi, I'm Ellie. This is a quick video to take you through your practice report. This is where you'll see all of the data that has been submitted about both your NHS and private practice. You're asked to review this to check it's accurate and complete before it's published on PHIN's website. To demonstrate how you can review your practice report, I'm going to impersonate a gastroenterologist using a test account. This consultant works at one site privately and 2 NHS sites. So, once I've logged in using the consultant's details, I need to click Reports on the home page. Then click Your Practice, and then View Your Practice Report. This report is designed to provide a view of the data that has been submitted to PHIN directly by private healthcare facilities, so that you can check its accuracy before it's published on the PHIN website. The report view is automatically filtered to show only private activity for the current publication period. This is the 12-month period currently published on PHIN's website. However, you can change the date period you are viewing by clicking on the filter and selecting a different date range. For the purpose of this video, I will maintain the current view. You can also use the report to see any NHS data that PHIN has received about your practice from NHS Digital. This is supplied for NHS activity in England. To see this data, click Patient Type and change your filter to NHS patients. For the purpose of this video, I will maintain the current view of private data only. First, I'm going to have a look at the Consultant's Overview tab to view the activity reported by site and by month. The numbers all look broadly correct. Next, I'm going to take a more detailed look at the procedures at each site by clicking the Activity tab. Here is where you will see all the private procedures that have been submitted to PHIN by the hospitals where you work. If there are procedures in the list that you do not perform, you can click on this, and then the report will filter the information shown to that specific procedure. And you will then be able to see more detail on the funding source, age, and gender of the patients. Additionally, I can then click on the Detailed Episodes tab to see further detail on the admission and diagnosis information. To report this episode as a data issue, I need to click on Report Data Issue regarding this episode. This will open a form for me to complete. Once the form opens, I'm able to choose which hospital the issue relates to, and I will need to pick an issue that I want to flag to the hospital. I'm going to click Inaccurate Procedure Coding. Once I've done that, I can click Submit to send that off to the hospital to review. As I have added a filter to the report, I will need to click Reset Filter at the top of the page to revert to the original view. Finally, I'm going to look at the Length of Stay tab. The Length of Stay report is separated into 2 graphs, Median Length of Stay and Day Case Rate by Procedure Group. Hover over the Procedures bar to view what your median length of stay or day case rate is for that specific procedure. The method used to calculate length of stay counts only spells containing a single unique operative procedure, and where one or more non-operative procedures may be present within the same spell. To view which procedures are excluded from the calculations, please refer to your Discharges by Length of Stay chart. To keep track of any data issues you raise through the portal, you can access these in the Report section on the menu bar, and then click Data Issues. This is where you'll be able to see a record of the issues raised, as well as whether they have been actioned by the relevant hospital. I have just demonstrated how a consultant would use their report to review the data that has been submitted about their practice. For the purpose of the video, we're focused mainly on private activity, but the consultant may choose to look at their NHS data too. If there are any issues in the data submitted by NHS Digital, this will need to be directly fed back to the NHS hospital. If you have any queries, please contact us on consultants@phin.org.uk.